Plus always believes in excellence, and always we come up with policies that will make our health, environment, safety and security, giving a prime importance to that. And this is what we are thankful to HESS award organizers to see that BFAP Plus has topped among its peers, to make sure that we give a lot of importance in this COVID time especially. We would like to commend Ghana government also for taking multiple measures to see that we are able to sail through this difficult times of COVID. And by God's grace, we see that very soon we are going to leave COVID far behind us. So during this difficult time, BFAP also took many measures to see that health, environment, safety and security of all our Ghanaian brothers and sisters who are working here, it is well taken care of. Everywhere you see, we have put up sanitizer stands, and we have given the PPEs to our workers, and at the same time maintaining the social distancing, whatever required the best. During the lockdown period also, we make sure that we were up and running, and within the premises we made a facility available for all the workers to work, provide them 3 meals a day and provide them accommodations so that they don't get interact with outside people, and providing all the PPEs, making sure that health and safety of all the workers is well maintained. And I think this is a reward of it, that today the HESS organization has awarded with the 3 awards for excellence into the manufacturing facility, into the best company in product safety and quality management, and to myself, Mukesh Takwani, for the leadership excellence in the integration of HESS. Well, BFAP Plus always believes in that we will keep on delivering our best. Okay, rest we leave it up to the organizers who are organizing this kind of awards. So it is not only for the sake of awards we do that one. It is a matter of we keep on doing the excellence in our own way, for the safety, security, and protecting the environment for not only for our workers but for the whole community. So once you get the award, it really keeps you on the toes to make sure that you have to do more better, and whatever the good work you are doing, it is being recognized. I think that is where it really keeps us on the toes to make sure that we have to go to the next level. And I would like to add on that it is not possible without the help of our dear workers, So they are the one who are the major contributors also in this type of award. So we would like to dedicate this award to our workers. So without their concern about the safety, security and environment aspect, we will not be standing here and getting these awards. So I'll say a big bravo to all our dear workers. Well, current situation, we all see that we are very happy to see in the last couple of weeks, we are seeing government has started many of the projects. So the private sector is really believes in Ghana, and we see a lot of private investments already coming into Ghana, even during this difficult times. And with the new projects starting from the government side as well, we are sure that whatever the small dip is there in the market, it will get better with the coming times. And we are really looking forward for a very good season. This dry season has already started. And we are really looking forward that Ghana is really going to bounce back, and very soon the COVID will be behind us. So a lot of ample of opportunities we are seeing it. And for BFAP Plus, I would like to add on that we have put up West Africa's biggest fabrication plant. Very soon we are about to start our rolling mills as well, and the second and third phase, which will be inaugurated by His Excellency Vice President Mr. Baumia. So BFAP Plus will strive and start always deliver the best to not only to the Ghana market but to the whole West African market. We want to really curate Ghana as a hub for the steel industry. We have ample of opportunities available into the different fields, different sectors, and at the same time we'll call upon our dear investors from different countries also to come and take the advantage that Ghana is offering at this regional level.